Hello guys. Let's talk about the letter V, which is the 22nd letter of the alphabet. V is an important letter because it is used to make many words that we use in our everyday life. The letter V has a shape that looks like a diagonal line that starts at the top and goes down to the left, and then another diagonal line that starts at the bottom and goes up to the right. It is important to remember how to draw the letter V correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. The letter V makes a special sound, the V sound. This sound is made by pressing your top teeth against your bottom lip and then releasing a burst of air. Some common words that start with the letter V include volcano, violin, and vacation. Words that have the letter V in them are all around us. We might learn about different types of volcanoes in science class, or listen to beautiful music played on a violin. We might also plan a fun vacation with our family or friends. Remembering the letter V is an important step in learning how to read and write. As you practice, you will become more familiar with this special letter and all the interesting words it helps create. So let's give a big V for the letter V, and get ready to continue exploring the wonderful world of language. Please, don't forget to support our channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.